All right, so those who have access to the course already have access to the course. Last chapter we have an in-depth explanation of the strategy used here. So the same strategy that I use on iqoption, I'm using it on Quotex with no problem. So please go to the last chapter. You will find everything about the strategy I'm using here. If you have any question, don't be afraid to ask me via email or via Facebook page. I will try to respond as soon as I can. Yeah. So this one is going down. As usual, I'm trading binary options, so Euro ESD on Quotex. I'm trading with the 1 minute expiration time as usual. This ones are the 1 minute candlestick chart. Yeah, 1 minute candlestick chart. I'm investing in $500 and I'm making 82%. Yeah, as you can see, I made $410. That's 82%. Great, great, amazing. So my strategy is simple. What I get using my strategy, I got a signal where I can predict the next 10, 12, 13, sometimes up to 15 candles. I can predict the colors of maximum of 15 candles. So I can, for example, in this case, I know that this one is going to be green candle. I open an upper trend or an up position, and I'm making profit. Again, the next candle, I know that the next candle is going to be red, so I'm shorting or I'm selling, and I'm making again another 82% from my investment. The next one is going to be green. I'm going to buy. The next one is going to be green also. I'm going to buy. The next one also red. I'm going to sell, and so on. So if my predictions are 100% right and all the time, so yeah, all the time I get it right, this means that I'm making profit from this signal. Yeah, from one signal I'm making at least from one signal I'm making at least $3,000, at least $3,000. So in this case, I still believe that we still have another 6 or 7 candles that I know exact color. So for example, this one is 100% going down, up, yeah, this one is 100% going up, meaning that I'm going to make a profit when I opened a long position. Yeah, so I opened a long position, and I believe that yeah, I'm making 82%. That's $410. All right, $410. Great. Let's do it again. Let's go. Right here. So the strategy used here, guys, is explained in the course in the description below. If you are interested, I invite you to go and take a look at this strategy. There is everything you need to know about the strategy. Everything is explained in the course in the description below. So just go take a look at the course, and yeah, hopefully you will learn a thing or two from my tradings. I'm sharing with you everything I know. Everything I know about binary option trading is explained in the course in the description below. Yeah, but you don't have to buy the course. You can learn from free stuff on the internet. There's plenty of free stuff on YouTube. There's books. Try to read books. Try to learn from different sources. Yeah, you will become a profitable trader if you keep working harder. Believe me. Amazing. Let's go. The next candle. Let me just see. Yeah. The next one is going 100%. 100% is going down. Sorry, it's going up. So this is the level. It's going up here, and I'm making another, $410, 82%. As usual, I'm trading Euro USD. I like trading Euro USD since it's more predictable. My strategy work better on Euro USD. So those who already got the course, try to use the strategy on try to use the strategy on Euro USD, because it's more predictable and easier to predict. All right, sorry. Let's go. All right, another profit. Let's see here. Yeah. I still have more chances. I still have another chance to open another trade. So, by the way, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos on this channel, I'm not to tell you that you will make the same results. Remember, this is a simulation of what is possible. This is not a guarantee. I'm not guaranteeing you that you will have the same results. You can lose your money. You can lose your money. So you need to be careful, and you need to learn as maximum as you can. Keep learning, keep trading, keep learning, keep trading. I'm sure with time you will be better and better and better, and perhaps you will stop making profit soon. I don't know. So I advise you to keep learning and take your time. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you any financial advices. I'm just sharing with you this sessions for entertainment. That's it. All right. I guess this one. Yeah. Let's open another trade, or you know what? All right. Yeah. I don't believe that